Hello and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today's tutorial is all about creating volume to your hair. I would be telling you some techniques to get hair from this to this. I achieved this look with the help of blow dryer brush. Most of us love the blow dryer look, but it is very difficult to achieve it at home. I want to show you today a very interesting equipment which is going to make our life easy and helps you to achieve the volume that I created. This is a volumizer hot brush. It has 3 settings: high, medium and low. To get long lasting curls or styles, I use it on high. It is very easy to use, you just need to learn the technique. So now let me show you how to use it. So I have sectioned my hair into 2 parts, and now I'm taking a very small front section of my hair. If you want, you can clip the rest of the hair back. I am comfortable like this, so I usually do not clip them back. But as you will be doing it for the first time, you can clip them back with the help of a clutcher. Now I'm using this brush in the rotating motion. So I'm putting it up and then rotating my brush outwards. Again up and rotating it outwards. This is the first hair section. I'm going to tie these with a small elastic band. Just make sure that it is not very tight, as we do not want any mark. Hopping on to the next section, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now remove the elastic band and add this section to the first hair section. And now I am moving my way to back. Keep merging these hair sections into the elastic band. As this section is little broad, so I'm further sectioning it into 2 and repeating the same process. Simultaneously, let me share something about this brush. Attempting to DIY a blow dryer to salon standards is always a challenge, unless you are a trained hairdresser. Not many people are nifty with a round brush in one hand and hair dryer in another. So this is a hybrid tool that combines a brush and a hair dryer. All you have to do is to use it like a brush. Plug in and switch it on by rotating it. And the hot hair will start to blow out of the brush. As I mentioned earlier, this has 3 modes: high, medium and low. Choose your preferred mode. You will see in the end how bouncy your hair will look with sleek finish. Now let's talk about the brands. There are many brands available in the market. I highly recommend Allen Truman. It is available on Nykaa and it is going to cost you around 2500 rupees. There are few more brands available on Amazon. The price range starts from 1000 rupees. Just serve hot hair brushes and you will get a list of it. Choose the one which suits your budget. I will also be mentioning the brands and the links in the description box for your reference. So we are done with one section and now we'll move on to the another section. I am going to do the exact same thing that I did in the first section. So by now, I know you all will be tired, but we are almost through. It is a little bit tiring task, but at the end, the results are worth it. I'm sure with practice, you're going to achieve it. And we are done here. Ready to flaunt the sleek finish. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Give this technique a try. Do tag me on Instagram. #HairSheGoes by Deepti. This technique needs little of practice, but once you achieve this look, you're going to love it for sure. I would love to see your creativity. Give this technique a chance to try for yourself. Thank you for taking out time to watch this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Do not forget to subscribe.